So what you should do right now while the market going down? A lot of people said, okay, just buy put options. Some people just short the market. Some people say do like never trade. There's a lot of strategy we can do in order to make money even the market going down without even shorting. We're gonna discuss right now 5 stocks have potential to rebound and some stocks strong right now even the market going down, so we could hedge our portfolio even the whole market is going down. Not the whole market, but certain sectors is still strong and going up. We're going to discuss every stock, the strategy for them, how to make money, how to know where you take your profit, not just holding and the price go up until you go down and you lose all the profit. We don't want this happen to you. So let's get right to it and try to make some money in this crazy market for this year. So let's start our video with ocgn. ocgn, we have the price went up and pre-market was volatile around the $4.48, and we said we need to hold above the $4. However, the market opened today, I think, today in a gap down. That's why I don't like to hold any stock during the market close, because as we said, we have potential for the market to have news during the market with close. We can have control over that. You know what happened? Because we have some kind of news regarding ocgn, and the price went down because ocgn price on Tuesday, price is offering of about 16 million common share for a gross proceeds of about 53.5 million, and the price they're offering around the $3.50. I think that's why the price went below, and right now $3.27. So what we should expect for this one is clear for me. The price will continue to go down, testing the $2.72. We're gonna see a bit of reaction to go up. If we get rejected again around the $3.45, we're gonna see the price go here. This will be the strongest reaction for buy limit order for a lot of insiders around the $1.60 and the $1.43. We're gonna see the price gravitating up again. So I'll put notification here if we didn't hold above the $2.72. The next stock we're gonna talk about is HUT. So HUT is holding right now. We have a support after we broke this ascending line here. You see we have a weakness around the 16 or 17 of February. We broke down. Right now we have a midway support around the $5.42. So what we want to confirm one thing: if we hold above the $5.42, this will confirm that we still have the momentum to see a bit of reversal to test at least the $6.63 again. Because if we don't hold this level, what we're gonna see the price actually go here around the $3.55 this time for HUT. I will buy here. This will be a really juicy price to buy for HUT, and we can actually make money when the price actually jump up and we take a profit around the $4.50. This is how you make money even the market go down. You buy around the bottom where there's a big buying opportunity, where the hedge fund managers buy around this technical area, because is the price value for the stock in current market condition. So right now we want to see the price holding above the $5.42 and taking profit around the $6.60. Here would be a nice trade if we hold this level. Next up, we have a stock is really strong. Let me just okay. We have this one still actually in the green because it is in transportation or marine shipping. And we talked about it before, and we're still holding the 20 and it's still strong right now. Even the market is red, is still in a green and all-time high above the 20. We said it before, if we above the 20 is mean the price will continue to go up and see maybe even the 30 for the next month. For this one is really strong. And the next one we have AMC. So we have a lot of requests for AMC. We didn't hold the 1770, and we said it, we have a 2080 would be the rejection and resistance area. We talked about even in our Patreon when we said the price will hit 2080. When the price was here, I suggest my hunter to just take a profit and get out from AMC trade and holding around the 2080, because I know a lot of like members and hunters tell me the hardest thing is to sell, because AMC went crazy up, and a lot of my client didn't sell when the price go up, because they think the price will go to the moon, to the 500,000, but we didn't. You see, the price hit the resistance around the 70 and went down, spiral down, spiral down, spiral down, and people just go on Reddit, see the news, the squeeze, and the smart people just taking profit and the other people just holding. So what's happening right now? Right now, the price hit the resistance. I said the turning point, if there is a chance for AMC to have a squeeze, is the 2080. We got rejected. Right now, we have a test pretty soon around this level, above the 15. Because if we close below the 15, we're gonna see a big reaction and selling pressure for AMC. For the last support I can see for AMC, if we don't want to go even below around the $9 or below the $10, which is the 12. Above the 12, we're gonna see another buying pressure for AMC, in the last chance to actually see a buying pressure again. And next one we have, let me just see, Palantir and sens, because both of them are jumped crazy down. You see, Palantir went down from our triangle, and we said don't take this trade until we have a closing candle above this triangle, but we didn't. You see, the market open, we have a gap, and that's why a lot of people lose money, because they just buy before the market close and think the price will jump up. This is kind of gambling, because some kind of news coming up and the price go down, like what happened to other stocks, and right now with Palantir, and again with sens as well. You see, a lot of people just think about the FDA approval. It was okay, and the progress was okay. However, short seller come and the price went down. That's why I don't hold and always take my profit on the way. So that's why Palantir went to all-time low right now, and we have some kind of buying pressure happening above the 10. So right now for Palantir, I'm just saying the $9.94, this should be it for Palantir to see a price like momentum shift. Otherwise we're gonna see the price go below the 8. So for Palantir, I will be extra careful, and it's better to actually have a trade if we just overcome the $11.43, because this is the resistance. If we overcome it, this will be confirming that we have a nice trade to go at least around the 13 to test this gap again around the 13. Right now we might see the price gravitate down again. If we close here, this will be a warning sign for Palantir, so this will be a bit risky. However, for sens, we have a bit of clear support, because we talked about it before. After the jump, we're gonna see the $1.70 hold up. Here we see a hold up. Right now we have a closing candle below it. So if the price is still below this resistance, the $1.72, we're gonna see the $1.28. Finally, we have dwac. For this one is a clear. I have my notification on around 85, and right now we have a lot of selling pressure and big red candle around this resistance, the 91. So we want to clear one thing: holding this gap which is above the 83. So if we hold above the 83, this will be confirming that we still have the bullish momentum, and the price will have this reaction, because DWAC is is really strong during this market condition, and we can see it jump again higher. If we have the price actually holding the 83, we're gonna see around the above the 100, which is around the 118, the next resistance. If we confirm this hold up above this gap or 83, this would be nice for DWAC. And we already talked about a lot of stock. Hood here, we talked about it before. Alert around our TradingView. If you want, you can join us in the link comment section below, and as well for Discord, and for our Discord here, Lacrom Investing, we have almost 10,000 members, and you can join us if you want alert for a lot of stocks and pre-market update for crypto, and a lot of like stock review before the market open, so you be ready to hunt with us. So without any further ado, just be ready to hunt, and let me know if you have any question in comment section below regarding the strategy and the market condition right now, and what you do. Are you having strategy? Are you willing to short the market or buy at the bottom or holding blue chip company? What's your strategy? Let's share some information so we could actually learn from each other. See you in the next update.